So this will be the introduction of our Custards by Clarissa and Grayson. Lovely salt and pepper group with 4 little boys and 1 little girl. And let me introduce Mr. Ozark. He's a fairly dark salt and pepper boy. Aren't you handsome, dude? Look at how flashy you are with your white eyebrows and beard, your gorgeous markings already. Oh, you just are a ham. Look at that face. Yes. Okay, say see you later. And let me introduce Brûlé. Wow, I'm so tired, Tweezy. And Mr. Brûlé is a light salt and pepper. He's going to be a beautiful silver and white. Look at that face. Such a handsome boy. Yes, say hello. Good boy. And this is Miss Soufflé, the only little girl. And she's going to be a very light salt and pepper who will mature to be a beautiful silver and white. Look at you, Soufflé. Yes, she says, hello, world. I'm a pretty little girl. Yes, you are. Soufflé. And this is Flamby, a very striking young man. Dark salt and pepper. Yes, you are. Are you striking? I see those eyes. Yes, you're looking at the camera very nicely. Yes, Flamby. Flamby. I hear somebody squawking in the background. Yes, good boy. And here we have Natilla. Funny boy. He's a medium salt and pepper. Are you saying hello, everybody? And you've got a beautiful striking face. Yes, you do. Just show everybody that gorgeous face. Yes, you're a handsome boy. Handsome Natilla. Now watch what happens. Good mommy Clarissa. You guys are going to wake up because you're going to smell your mommy's here. Brûlé says, I think I smell my mommy. There goes Soufflé. And Ozark. And Flamby. It's getting to be quite a load now, Clarissa. You two are still snoozing. Natilla. Can you show your walkie, Natilla? Good job. And there's Soufflé. Natilla's squeaking. Just getting into some puppy interactions now. Starting to get more interested in toys and what's around them. So they've been given a few different toys, some interactive. Introduce them to sounds. Like a rattle? Get used to different things in life. We got a lot of blue toys in here because there's a lot of baby boys. And this guy, he rattles too. Different sounds. What's that? Oh, what's that? Souffle. Yes. No squeakers. Then we just got little tingles. Little tingles. And look at those boys. They've gone back to eat again. Well, Souffle said it is tempting. Maybe I'll just sneak another meal or a snack. Look at those three. And Clarissa says it's a lot of work being a mom. I'm going to climb all over the toys, Flanby. I found my mommy Twacy. There goes Ozark and Flanby. You just got to push your way in. A very quick introduction of the puddings. We have Malvern and Sago. Two little boys, both dark salt and pepper. And just a sneak peek of Monica and her puddings. Monica, she says, I'm not talking, Twacy. Such a good girl. You roly-poly. Malvern and Sago. You're a good girl, Clarissa. Quite a pile of puppies you got there, girlie. You're a good mommy. Very good mommy.